What's up, everybody? So somebody is making a fake SKU Grid account on YouTube, which is really weird. So if you look here, this is SKU Grid's real channel. They've got more than one subscriber, right? They have 700 subscribers, and they have a bunch of videos, and most of them are tutorials, right? It's mostly where SKU Grid hosts its tutorial videos, right? But then there's this other channel, SKU Grid without the space. See here? SKU Grid with the space, SKU Grid without the space. And this channel is publishing other YouTubers' videos, and some of them are about Pricematik. Like, it's really weird. I have no idea. Like, this obviously isn't SKU Grid, and I've talked to SKU Grid and confirmed that this is not something that they're doing, right? So this is somebody else. But I don't understand. Like, what is this person trying to do? Right? They copied the name and the logo. And then they have all of these videos. And like 3 of these videos are my videos, which is funny. Like, there's even one of Ty's videos. There's this guy. There's this girl. And it doesn't make sense. Like, why are there videos on this fake SKU Grid channel about Pricematik? Like, it's not even about SKU Grid. And that's what I don't understand. Because, of course, you have the one thing where, yeah, these videos are all poached. They're not original. And they're already available on YouTube. So, like, these can be taken down, right? Because it's very obvious that, like, you know, this is Ty's face. It's very obviously his video, right?
I'm Ty.
Like, it's so weird. Like, can you guys... I'm mostly doing this as an experiment, like this video in particular. What do you guys think this is? Like, is somebody just playing a practical joke? I can't even imagine why somebody would do this, aside from to just troll people and fuck with them, right? So they even have created playlists using these videos, right? So let's click on Hydra Lister. We have... Okay, that's one of my videos. So, okay. What about the SKU Grid? Oh, it's been removed. There we go. That's good. Okay, so some stuff was deleted. But there's still 2 things in this. And one of them's Ty's videos. And then there's a whole section on Pricematik.
Hey guys.
Who's this girl? I don't actually even know who this girl is. But she must be some kind of drop-shipping YouTube person. Let's see if we can find her. Let's go eBay. Oh, actually, I can just search for the title of the video, can't I? Because it's poached. Living the good life. Okay, so it's this girl. Interesting. So they poached one of her videos. Like, it's so weird, guys. I have no idea what this is.
Hey guys.
It's amusing to me, like, because it's not like it matters. It'd be one thing if this was a hugely popular profile, right? And it had a bunch of post videos, but it doesn't. And I have 10,000 subs now. Woo! But yeah, anyway, I just figured I'd just do this just to be like, yeah, guys, if you're looking at SKU Grid's YouTube channel and they don't have more than 700 subscribers, you're looking at the fake SKU Grid YouTube channel. And I have no idea why it's even there. I have no idea what the purpose of it is. Like, no clue. So if you want to educate me, or if you have any, like, thoughts about why somebody would make a fake profile, then go ahead, comment below, let us know. All right, guys, see you next time. Ciao.